Hello everyone, welcome to btih. Good news! The Windows 11 is finally official. There's lots of good news, but they are not that important as usual. Now let's get to the summary. The Windows 11 announced officially last week. It comes with new design, faster Windows Hello, start button in the middle, light mode, dark mode, wallpaper change color along with mode, new action center layout, notification center, align with calendar, curve edge, new widgets, faster waking from sleep, faster Windows Hello, faster web surfing, smaller Windows Update, faster Windows Update, reduced power usage, better battery life, new recommended taskbar, linked Microsoft Office app, new Snap layouts, new Snap groups, next level task switching, new docking experience, new spread up screen space, multiple desktop setup, multiple desktop swap, new soft keyboard, new voice typing, new handwriting, new Microsoft Edge tab, multiple desktop personalize, new Microsoft Teams, new gaming experience, new Microsoft Store. To check if your device is capable to upgrade to Windows 11, visit www.microsoft.com or download a free software. Why not Win 11? The link will be given in the description below. Now I will show you how to install Windows 11 officially.
First, let's download the Windows 11 ISO file from the links given in the description. Right-click on the ISO file and runs it with Windows Explorer. Click Setup. You will most likely encounter an "this PC can't run Windows 11" error caused by the TPM 2.0 and secure boot requirement. To solve this, first, create a new folder. Name it whatever you want and copy the whole thing into the new folder. Download the folder from the other link given in description. Copy the appraisers.dll file to replace the existing one in the sources folder. Now click on Setup and let it work on its magic. Apparently, if you upgrade your activated Windows 10 to Windows 11, the license will remain activated. You can install it with the USB flash drive to a new hard disk. To make a bootable flash drive with Rufus, check this video out for the simple step-by-step guides. If you're gonna install Windows 11 in a new hard drive, I will show you a download link to download the activator in the description below.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.